I'm going to make a very tasty omelet. Fresh salmon, the salt and pepper I put on there, small dice, and the other items that are going in there are on here: the mushrooms, fresh parsley, the onion, and the grated cheese. And the grated cheese, use your favorite grated cheese. I have about a tablespoon of butter in there. You can use olive oil. You can use olive oil and butter. I'm going to saute the mushrooms and the onions for a few minutes so they cook. Relatively high flame. And we will take another tablespoon of butter. To quicken the cooking time, cover it. We'll raise the flame, and if the butter browns a little, I don't mind it. I like that Brun Noir flavor. But if you don't, you can either use, like I said, all olive oil or a combination of olive oil and butter. See how quickly? I'm going to lower it now, remove this, and the only thing I'm going to add now, in a minute, is the salmon for a quick second. Meanwhile, there's the 2 eggs and an egg white. I don't feel like eating 3 egg yolks this morning. I mean, I could, but I'm used to doing it like this. And the fresh parsley is right into the egg. And the cheese I'm going to sprinkle either in it or on it later. Raise the flame. Now we're going to go fast, because we don't want to overcook the salmon. The salmon's only going to take a minute. And if you like sushi, you're going to want the salmon a little bit rare. And that's the way I like it. So if you want to cook the salmon a little bit more, you can. Get it towards the middle, because we're going to pour the egg right into the salmon. Now with the high flame, the highest flame you have, fold over. This is a nice size omelet, so you'll need a large plate. Put the cheese right in the middle now. And let's fold this over. Fold the top. I should say not the top. Now lower the flame. And if you like it rare, it's ready. I don't want it rare. I just want it a little bit more cooked inside. And then have your plate ready, because you're going to fold it right onto the plate. And so far it's taken about, I'm counting this, 6 minutes, which is not bad, from the beginning to this point. That's the way I like it. Turn it right onto that. Shut the flame off, and then I'm going to just decorate the plate with a couple of items. You don't have to. And this is my breakfast. Let me back this away a little, the camera away. How's that? Healthy omelet, healthy vegetable, tomato. What could be better? I hope you enjoy it.